Hello everyone, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. Today we learn personal pronoun in German. In German we say Personalpronomen. I repeat, Personalpronomen. Personal pronouns are singular and plural. Singular, plural. First person means ich. Ich. Plural, wir. We all. Wir. So this is singular, this is plural. Okay? Singular, plural. These are singular personal pronoun. These are plural personal pronoun. Subject. It is also known as subject. In a sentence, subject is very important. It's a doer that performs the action. Suppose I say I am going home. So here subject is ich, first person. If I say Martin is learning German, so the subject is Martin, he, third person. So er, sie, es. I come to that. So first person ich means I. Second person du. Du means you. Du. And the plural is ihr. Ihr. Plural of du. Er, sie, es. He, she, it. Er, sie, es. Any name, any boy or a girl comes under this category singular. If I say Rohan is learning German. So Rohan is a boy, I can say personal pronoun er. If I say Tina is going home. Tina is a subject and Tina is a girl. Personal pronoun will be sie. The buzzing sound sie. Er, sie. And s means it. It. The plural of third person is they. Sie means they. It can be mixed. Boys, girls, or all the boys, all the girls. I say they are going home. So sie. I will use sie means they. And this is also sie but capital. It is formal you. We have two types of addressing the way, formal and informal. If you are addressing someone informally, you will use du. If you are addressing someone formally, you will use sie capital. So altogether we have three types of sie. Sie, formal you, this sie, she, and this sie, they. So two small z, she and they, and this capital Z, formal you, and plural is also capital formal you. Means formally you is written in the same manner Z capital, you formal. So these are the persons, these are the subjects. Singular, plural. I repeat once again the pronunciation ich, du, er, sie, es. Z formal means आप. Wir, we all, wir. Ihr, you all, plural of du. Plural of du, ihr. And z, small z, they. And this capital Z, you, formal. These are different subjects or you can say persons in German language. Now I will write with the help of few examples. So that here I have written verb conjugation. I have used the verb sein, to be. Like I am, you are, she is, we are. How do we say this in German? With the help of subjects or pronoun, we see that ich bin, I am, du bist, you are, er ist, sie ist, es ist. It means he is, she is, it is, sie sind, you are, formally, wir sind, we are, ihr seid. Look at the spelling, seid. Sie sind, they are, and this capital Z, sind, you are, formally. So you have to learn this verb conjugation. The verb is sein. Sein means to be. So I have written just an example so that you understand better. Thanks for watching. I hope you got some information after watching this video. Keep supporting us, hit the like button and share as much as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.